First vehicle I ever took apart and put back together was my 1989 Dodge Ram. It's a small little truck, a lot of fun to work on, and I probably put more parts on that car than I care to admit to. I'm Annie Hansen, and I'm an AutoNation TechXpert. I'm a master certified technician with a specialty in automatic trans. I've been in AutoNation Tech for almost 10 years now. When I was a kid, I always loved taking things apart. And then when I got to be a teenager, all of my friends had hot rods, which were really just cars that broke down all the time. And so we learned, we had to. So when I first started working on cars professionally, I expected to get some kind of backlash and adversity, but I was really surprised that by just going in and working hard and doing my job to the best of my abilities, that I earned respect. And I was blessed with a great group of guys that were always willing to help and teach me and help me learn things. Outside of work, I typically find myself out at the barn working with the horses, donkeys, and other animals, or teaching LTC classes in Texas. The most memorable repair that I had to do was when I first started building transmissions unsupervised. And the transmission worked great, except I bent the tone wheel on the crankshaft going back in, so it would just intermittently die. The transmission had to come all the way back out, and I got to do the job twice. It's the only time I ever made that mistake. The favorite part of my job is fixing a difficult problem. You know, even if it means putting my head together with somebody else. None of us can be experts on everything. It's just too complex. So we all have our areas of specialty where we're a little bit more skilled in some areas than others. And so we all get together and help each other out when we have to.